Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to try out this die kit that I picked up not too long ago off of HSN. It's an Griffin set. It's the Birthday Greetings 3D Concentric dies. I had to really look into this and make sure I didn't already have this when I ordered it, because I'm like, didn't they have a birthday set like in one of the crop or create at home, I guess create at home events, and I know I've bought those since then, but it didn't look like a set that I already had, so we will see. But if it's still available, I'll go ahead and link in the description box, possibly embed in the video here, and that would be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase time to those links. And you know, looking at this kind of thing, when you just have the dies, you really have to bring your papers, your stickers, your, you know, all those things yourself. So I thought, I just kind of looked over and I had this pack still over here with the rest of my stickers. I'm like, oh, I'll try this. This is actually, I think, the Wishing Well or something like that. It's a embellishment set from one of those kinds of kits. Let's see, what does it say? Flower card. Okay, so I thought, you know, it's cute because, I mean, it has sentiments, it has all these cute things, it has a way to build up a scene, really, if that's what you want to do. So we'll use those. And then, you know, looking at the layers, they're so beautiful. I mean, you can also make frames or just like matte layers or however it is. But it has the larger background layer. Of course, a gorgeous lacy kind of layer. Some of these areas are cut out and some are, you know, embossed. You can also pair it with this next one to make either a matte layer, or if you pair it together, you're going to make a frame. You have the next one that's, again, a label or like a matte layer. You can also layer it with this guy. That makes another frame, or just the matte layer. And the little guy in the center, which a lot of times I kind of just overlook that one because I don't know what else to do with it. But so I grabbed those papers and then, or those stickers, and I have some paper next to me still that I just always have next to me. And it's, I think it's maybe the all occasion diamond press paper. And I was like, oh, I like this blue. And then right behind it was pink, and they coordinate really nice together. And I think there's like blues and pinks in here. So I thought, oh, that's cute. So maybe we'll do something with this. And then I thought, well, if I'm already using diamond press paper, maybe I'll make other diamond press layers. So I have this paper here from another tutorial I just did recently, the Sweet Sunshine. And I know the colors are real bright, but I'm like, oh, maybe this one, like with the checker or plaid or whatever, diamond kind of stripe here. And then this one, so I went to look at them, and to be honest, this pink, even though it has little white dots, is very similar to this pink. So I thought that would be a nice layer, possibly. But let's look for the one a little more Griffin-y, I think would be like this one, right? And like these little dots. So maybe we'll go with this one. Okay, having done that, these things are geared towards like 5x7. So I'm going to make a 5x7 card base real quick. So let me grab a white piece of paper and I'll be right back. Well, I already have 5x7 card bases, but if I'm going to make my own on A2 size piece of paper, you're going to want to do 7x10. So 7 on the 8-inch side, or 8.5-inch side, sorry. So I'm going to cut 1.5 inches off of this. Let me just make sure I have that nice and straight. Is that the right one? That looks weird. I need to put in an order with Spellbinder so I can order my paper trimmer, because that's weird, I guess. I don't know what lines this paper trimmer has on it, this Fiskars one, because if you want to line it up with the half, this is not half, but this one is, or this one. I don't know what this other number is. Weird. Hopefully it's not crooked. So, okay. 7x10. So I'm going to take 1 inch off the other side. That way I don't have to use the swing arm, but if you want to put your swing arm out, obviously just measure what you need. Okay. And scored at 5 inches, which means I need to bring out another tool. I want to say the Skechers. That one has a, Fiskars has a scoring tool also in some of their newer boards, but that's all right. Okay, so 5 inches. That was really rough cutting on there. Weird. Okay. All right, 5x7. Now, I can make a matte layer on that. Just cut one, but I think since we have all these beautiful things, I'll just cut this one down first, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to run this through, I'll be right back. So, I have this, I put a little tape on there, and it stayed on. So just to start off, I'm going to glue that down, but like you can see, I mean, I could have done this this larger piece. Now we have a lot of white around the edge, but I'm still going to go with it. Okay. I'm just going to glue that down. Okay, for this next layer, I'm not sure because this is very beautiful and ornate. I think I'm going to leave this as a one solid piece, but I want to go with the blue because I feel like if I go pink again, you know. So let's do blue. And run it through whatever machine you have that'll give you the embossing and the detail. You know, I have pretty much, well, not pretty much every machine, but a lot of machines. And I usually run this through my Hello Hobby, or Hobby, that's what it's called? Yeah, from Walmart, which is basically like Epic 6, the Evolution or Revolution, whatever the We Remember Keepers machine is called. So anyway, we have that. And then this guy, this one's so pretty, but I feel like, oh, you know what? Okay. I don't know how much of this I'm going to end up covering up, but let's do this one through this pink, and let's just run this one through some gold. Just have a little gold edge. So I'm going to run this one through gold, this one through this pink, and I'll be back. Okay, guys. So let's see what we have here. It's very pretty. Again, it's very, you know, muted tones here. If you want to go over this with like a little buffer or something, you can do that and get some of that white showing because it is white core paper. But for now, I think what I'm going to do is just glue this down. Because again, I don't make it super high because I want to make these things mailable. So I'm going to glue this one straight down. And then I'll glue the pink layer to the gold. And I will have that popped up. And then we need to look at, you know, what we're going to do as far as little floral stickers or whatever we're going to do. Sentiment, all that kind of stuff. So for right now, let me just hold this guy down. Again, you're seeing just a little bit of that background. So what happens is with Anna Griffin cards, basically you would have a card base that's probably Anna Griffin paper, so you'd have more pattern back here too, but I just started off with a white piece of paper for that same reason. You can cut a 5x7, maybe a 4 7/8 by, you know, 6 7/8 paper or whatever, and go from there. So I'm going to glue these guys together, and I'll be right back. So again, I was keeping these things flat, so I'll show you how I do that, because yeah, just put some weight on it. Put a little something, cutting plate, whatever, so nice and flat. And then I even have this little guy on the smaller one. Keep it nice and flat. That is very pretty already. Okay, so I was kind of looking at this when I went to walk away and leave these things flat here. I'm like, this might not have been the best one to pick for this, because honestly, I probably need it for the flower cart kits, but this one was kind of sticking out here, and I'm like, actually, that might work. It's kind of an interesting thing because it does its own thing, right? Like this. And then I was thinking, well, maybe I should do it this way, huh? Look at that. I didn't think about making it in that direction because I normally make cards portrait, but every day is for flowers. Happy birthday. That's always a good one. I love you bunches. Oh, but it has like an orange that would be interesting. It's pretty. It's fresh. We have the thanks. These are the kinds of things you would tuck in. You know, happy birthday. I mean, I don't know, guys. What are we thinking? Maybe this can be up like this. Is that weird? So we have that there and this because it's not the same, you know. I don't know. What does this one say? This is like exactly the same kind of pink. Stop and smell the roses. That's cute. If you were a flower, I'd pick you. I mean, this is... I don't know. I wasn't thinking about putting it in this direction, but that's kind of interesting. Hold on. Hold on. Are there flourishes in here? Oh, this one has flourishes. Yeah. And of course, I have millions of, you know, stickers and things. I can go grab something else, but I grabbed this, and in my mind, this is what we're doing. But, oh, okay. Hold on. There's this funky one. That is a really weird shaped flourish, to be honest. Does it have one that's opposite? I guess it'd be this one. These are weird, aren't they? I don't know why it reminds me of like a duck or something, like a goose. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Let's see what else. Wait, hold on. Is this a different flourish? No, they're all weird. Okay, so that's fine. It's just really curly. Odd. Okay, let me put this up here. Odd for this, right? Cute for the flower cart, because obviously, I mean, I already have a lot of gold going on, but maybe we'll keep that little butterfly out. Since she popped out, she wanted to be in it. Alright. I was trying to see if there's anything in here that's just flowers that doesn't have a pot, but I don't know if that's the case. Oh my gosh. That's really cute, but it's basically the top of your flower cart or whatever, I think. No, actually, it should go like this, shouldn't it? That's really cute, though. I don't think there are any that aren't. Oh, no, yeah. Okay, hold on. We might still do a little something more. You know, I don't usually do a lot of stuff. Like that to me is already way too much. Too much going on. But that's very cute. Let me see if I have something else. I mean, I do like this little, but it's in a basket, so it's kind of weird. No? Let me see. Maybe that and then like a butterfly. Yeah, I don't want to scratch this guy up. You know, that might work. It is going to be a little higher than I would like because I am going to pick this up. But that's all right. Okay. All right, let's see. These are stickers, right? I think they are. Yeah, these guys are funky. Okay, hold on. Maybe I should go out. Is that weird? Oh, I didn't even glue this down. And I remember I said I was going to pop that up, but I guess I'm just going to stick it down. So let me go ahead and glue this down. I'll be right back down. So then let's just stick these down. I'm not going to stick it down quite yet, but I just should take the back off of this one. I'll be right back. Okay, like I said, I haven't stuck it down because I'm not 100% sure. I mean, even just like that is cute, but this is cute right here. Then I said I was going to have this back here. So maybe we turn these out a little more like this. That looks pretty cute. And this guy's here, and this guy's like here. And we're bringing it around town, guys. You guys remember that from SpongeBob? Okay, and then this guy's gonna need some dimensionals back here. I don't know why I've been running out of my white dimensionals. I've been using a lot of black ones, so I probably need to order another set. But I'm probably going to double this up so that I can clear this. Wait, do I need to clear that? What am I doing? Nope. Probably just needs one. Ooh. Okay. Well, I probably did that a little too high, guys. That's alright. So let's bring it down just a little bit. Okay. And then this should have stickiness behind it here because it's also a sticker. Ugh, there we go. Did I take that off? Yeah. Okay. Right here somewhere, like there. No, I'm gonna have to peel that off. Just take the whole thing off. If it needs to both come off, that's fine. I just need one, and that's gonna be too much. So I can use that in the next part if I need it. That was bothering me. It was too lopsided, you guys. Okay. Cute. Okay, that's better. So there. And then this little guy, again, is gonna clear that. But I think, I'm going to put a little something under each and every one of these guys, and I'll be right back and take the carriers off. And because I am frugal, I got those taken apart. Actually, you should put glue anyway, because I hear these things kind of break down over time, and it's better to have some glue and the stickiness from it to start off with. Let's see, that is very cute. Okay, I'm gonna hold that down. And then this guy is a sticker, but I like to kind of fold or bend the wings like that and then just stick them down. I mean, honestly, it looks really cute right there, so that's where it'll go. And there's a lot of gold right there, I understand, but I love the way that looks. Okay, let that set up. Let me clean up a little bit and we'll look at our card. So here's my card. I mean, just from start to finish, just making things up as we went along, and I think it came out really cute. I love The colors all go really well. They are very Anna kind of colors in my opinion. Super cute. I know I covered this whole thing up in the middle, but like honestly it peeking out, and it's just cardstock that I have anyway, because I have tons of it. That's fine. That is really cute. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully, that gives you some inspiration. I know it's really hard when you just have a die set and you don't have literally anything else to go with it, to start from nothing. I know whenever I have some of Anna's like scene dies, like the Paris one or those kinds of things, it's something you got to think about, right? Because you got to come up with everything on your own, and I've had pretty good luck with them. So there you go. All right, guys. I'll have some images coming up. I'll have links as available, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.